Imagine making money while you sleep, without managing a business, and without spending hours a day hustling. Sounds like a dream, right? Well, what if I told you that there's a passive income idea out there that nobody's talking about yet, and it's about to blow up in 2025? In today's video, I'm going to reveal this overlooked passive income strategy that's not only fresh, but incredibly simple to set up. Stay tuned, because this one could change everything for you. All right, we all know the classic passive income routes: real estate, stocks, maybe even renting out some Airbnb properties. But this idea is different. You won't need to own property, you won't need to write an ebook, and you definitely won't need to start a YouTube channel. In fact, this passive income method is something you probably interact with every day without even realizing its potential. And the best part? It's completely scalable, low risk, and doesn't require tons of upfront cash. Let's dive in. Okay, so what am I talking about? Data licensing. Yup, you heard that right. Data. You've got it, companies need it, and they're willing to pay for it. But before you freak out about privacy concerns, don't worry. I'm not suggesting you sell your personal data like your browsing history or private info. I'm talking about anonymous data, sharing through platforms that reward users for contributing to large data sets that companies use for market research, AI training, or business insights. Here's how it works. You sign up on a platform that collects anonymous aggregate data, things like app usage trends, shopping patterns, or even device performance metrics. In return, you get paid either monthly or as your data contributions grow. Now, you might be wondering, why should I care about data licensing? Well, here's the thing. Data is the new gold. Every company, from tech giants to startups, needs data to improve their products, train AI, and understand consumer behavior. It's like digital fuel. And with privacy concerns rising, companies are starting to turn to ethical data sources where users willingly share non-sensitive data in exchange for payment. It's a win-win. You don't need to do anything extra. Just allow these platforms to collect anonymous usage data, and you get paid. Plus, the industry is projected to grow exponentially by 2025. So if you get in now, you could ride this wave before it goes mainstream and everyone jumps on board. So how do you actually start earning passive income through data licensing? Let me break it down into 3 simple steps. Step 1. Find a reputable platform. The first thing you need to do is find a legit platform that offers payments in exchange for anonymous data sharing. Look for ones that are transparent about what data they collect and how they use it. A few solid ones are already making waves in this space, so you'll want to check them out. Step 2. Set up and automate. After signing up, the beauty of this method is how hands-off it is. You just allow the platform to gather the data they need from your daily digital activities. Things like how often you use certain apps, or how long your phone battery lasts. You don't even notice it's happening. Step 3. Watch your earnings grow. Once you're set up, it's just a waiting game. Over time, as your data contributions grow, so do your payments. Some platforms offer bonuses for long-term participation or for sharing certain types of data that are in high demand. Now let's talk numbers. How much can you actually make from this? While you're not going to become a millionaire overnight, data licensing can easily generate an extra $50 to $500 a month with virtually no effort. That's just for keeping an app running in the background. And the best part? If you connect multiple devices, like your smartphone, tablet, and even your smart home gadgets, your earnings multiply. Imagine stacking this income source while you go about your day-to-day life without lifting a finger. So why is now the best time to get into this? Well, data licensing is still relatively under the radar. The market is growing fast, but it hasn't reached its peak yet. By the time everyone else catches on, platforms might start paying less as they get more users. But right now, you can take advantage of higher payouts, and the earlier you start, the more you'll make. Think about it like getting in on the ground floor of something huge, because data isn't going anywhere, and companies will only need more of it in the future. So there you have it, the passive income idea no one is talking about yet, but everyone soon will. Data licensing is an untapped goldmine that you can start mining today with minimal effort. If you found this video helpful, make sure to smash that like button, hit subscribe, and drop a comment below. Would you try this passive income method? Or are you already earning passive income in another way? Let's talk about it. See you in the next one.